Are you jump roping? Yeah! Can you jump rope? Jump rope.
That's great jump roping, guys. Let me get this bag out of your way.
That's great.
Good jumping rope. Bruce, pretty good little offer.
How you doing, Owen?
I did it!
You did it, Bruce. Nice job.
Do you want to have Mama show you?
I did show them. This is their effort. I like how Bruce.
Okay, jump rope.